AmazProfitRobot review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called AmazProfitRobot. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that we will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab AmazProfitRobot copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page right here. And you can go and buy using my link below. If you want to know what bonuses I'm giving to you, then make sure you watch the video till the end because I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. So I'll discuss what bonuses you are going to get if you buy using my link below. But the main reason for me to make these videos is so that you know how to make real money online. So make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you want to buy my own software, then you can click on more and check out this link which says my OREA Plus products. You click on that link here, and then top three are my software, Drishyam AI, Launch to Profit and Review to Profit. So this one creates images, this one create affiliate campaigns. So you can know more about these things in the end. So I have explained all these software in the end. So make sure you just watch the video till the end. So on the sales page here, I'll give you a discount coupon first of all. So the discount coupon code is going to be AMAZ3, which will give you $3 discount. So use this coupon AMAZ3 and get your $3 discount and go and buy using my link below. And then let's talk about OTOs right away as well. So you have front end for 15, use the coupon, you will get this in 12. Then unlimited for 47.67 DFY. So these are the OTOs on your screen: 15, 47, 97, 67, 47, 47, 147, 67, 297. Go and buy them all. My bonuses are already linked with the sales page, as you can see right here. So this is my bonus URL. So when you go and buy this using my link below, the bonuses will be automatically delivered to your Launchpad account, I guess, or into your email, wherever. Okay, so we'll talk about the bonuses in the end. And now on the sales page, it says world's first fully autonomous multi-model AI KDP agent. So long story short, it's all about creating some AI books and selling them on Amazon. That's the theory. Okay, so I'll show you the demo video for that, and let's maximize it. So it's only short demo video, 2 minutes long. So watch everything on your own and understand everything, because they have not explained anything in the demo video. They're only showing. There's no voiceover, there's no voice in this demo video, so why would I bother? They're not paying me to do anything. They're not paying me to explain their demo video. It's not my product. Why would I explain the product for free? Just watch. I'm not getting paid for explaining their demo video. If they don't want to use voiceover in their demo video, why would I invest my voice? I'm not getting paid for that, right? So I make these reviews only because these products will come and go. They will do something, they will do some AI shit, but the only reason I make this video is so that in the end I can tell you the real ways to make money online. Otherwise I have no reason to make these videos. Not at all. So whether you want this Amaz Profit Robot or not, even if you just want my bonuses, or even if you know want me to continue making these reviews, just go and buy something from me using my link below. That's all. Are we done? Let's see. So you go and publish everything. That's all. So you have seen the demo video. The theory is that you are supposed to generate some AI books using this software and publish them on Amazon. And then God knows what else you can do. You have seen the demo video yourself for 2 minutes. All right, we are done. Okay. So go and grab this AmazRobot copy from my link below, whether you want this or not. If you only want my bonuses, then go ahead and grab the copy. That's all I have to say. And now just pay attention, subscribe, like, and share. Watch the video till the end if you want to know about my bonuses, about my software, and how to make real money online. Watch till the end. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kish Hacking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling Kish Hacking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.